Hello everyone. Now we will see how to create letters in Python. You already know how to write letters. I will show you how we can do this using Python. So before starting this topic, I would like to introduce a new code editor. Now what is code editor? Code editor is a tool used to write and edit the code, and it is very easy and simple way to run the code. So we are going to use code editor online. No need to run the code in the Python shell. Now I will open the code editor and we are going to use Raspberry Pi. So you need to type Raspberry Pi in the Google search, and this is the Raspberry code editor. Once page is open, click on Start Coding Python. We will see the letter by using this Raspberry Pi to run the Python code. Now there is no need to run our machine at this moment because we can run the code online using online code editor. First example is writing letters to school principal for requesting leave application. This letter you might have seen or written in your home. Now I have written this code to request leave of application in my school. So firstly we will run this code in Raspberry Pi editor and see the output. Once we will get output, then I will explain you all the lines of code, and finally I will give you some lab for the same lab to practice the Python program at your home. Now there is one problem. What if you don't have laptop or computer? How you will run this lab at your home? So don't worry, I will suggest you can use your mobile phone to run some Python programs, or you can use your Android mobiles. Firstly, you need to open a Chrome browser or a Mozilla browser in your mobile, and you can type Raspberry Pi editor. This is the link to use the editor. Open it, and once you see its main page, click on Start Coding Python. So now we will see the letter. In this letter we are requesting leave for 3 days. This is the code we are going to use to create the letter. In the first line of this example, we create the variable spaces by multiplying a space character by 1. We then use that variable in the next 4 lines to align the text to the right of the shell. These lines are in the right side with the margin, and we set this using the 1 space. All the lines using the print function to display these lines. We mention the subject, which is the leave application, using print function to display this line. We are separating the paragraph using the print function. That is, we are not putting anything in the brackets. Next is greeting, dear ma'am. We are using it with print function. And next is the body of the letter, and lastly the closing of the letter. I hope you got it how to write the code, and you can work on creating letter with the help of Python. Now this is the lab for practice. I would love to see your lab output in your devices. So please share me the output in the comment box. I will definitely try to answer you.